Hello everyone, my name is Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I have a Razer Blade 14 2022 model. I'm going to show you how to get inside, access your speakers. So first thing, power down your computer through the start menu, make sure it's off and unplugged from your charger. We're then going to flip the computer over to access our bottom case screws. Now you have 10 screws along this bottom case. After you take those out, you're going to take a small, flat, preferably plastic pry tool. It'll scratch your computer less than a metal one will. And we're going to go across the seam and gently pry up the bottom case from the rest of your computer. It's generally best in computers to start out back near one of the two corners. And if you get stuck going in one direction, leave it, go to the other side, and continue in the other direction. Also, be careful not to put your pry tool too far in. You could damage some internal components. Just keep it on the edge, be nice and slow but firm, and you'll be able to get that bottom case off. Once you have removed the bottom case, this is what you're looking at for the inside of your computer. Now, as a general computer repair side note, whenever I'm working on a computer in my shop, it's sitting on an anti-static mat. Either that or an anti-static bracelet are great ideas to avoid damaging anything in your computer when you're working on it. If you would like any help with tools or supplies for your computer project, as well as any replacement or upgrade parts for this specific model, the Blade 14, there will be a link above, also below in the description, and it'll be a list of all those tools and supplies and replacement parts. Now, before touching anything in a computer, it's always best to remove or at least unplug your battery. Computers are safer to work on when as little power as possible is running through them. Your battery is right down here along the bottom. There are 7 screws that need to be removed if you're taking your battery out, and the battery plugs into the motherboard right here. So you have these 2 other screws right there that need to come off to take this bracket off, and then you'll be able to unplug your battery. You have a speaker here on the right side of my screen and one here on the left side of my screen. So they're both screwed down on the top and the bottom. And the wire comes right out of the side here and goes to the motherboard. Make sure when unplugging your speaker wires, don't pull on the wire. They're very small, very fragile. You could damage them or you could pull them right out of the plug. So just grab that plug if at all possible. Use your fingernails, a pry tool, a small pair of pliers to get those out of the motherboard. I will try to have a replacement set of speakers below in the description in that link I told you about with all the replacement parts for this computer. They can be hard to find though. So I'm not sure if they'll be available the longer this video is up. The last thing I can mention about a speaker replacement, if you're having sound quality issues across different kinds of software, if it's not consistent, you may not have a speaker issue. It may just be a driver or system update issue. If you want help updating your drivers, updating your system, I will have a video link below in the description. That'll be a quick tutorial showing you how to update your system and your drivers. However, if your speakers just do sound like junk every time that bass hits, then yeah, most likely your speakers are blown and they need to be replaced. But that's the end of this video, how to get inside the Razer Blade 14 2022 model and access your speakers. Thanks again so much for watching. Please remember to like and share if this helped you out, if you think it can help someone else out. And feel free to subscribe if you enjoy DIY computer content like this, or if you just want to keep me on hand to answer any of your future computer questions. I do try to answer all questions throughout my channel at least a couple times a day. Also, feel free to check out the related link section below in the description. From time to time, I do try to add things in there that I think will help you with your general computer life, make it more productive, more enjoyable. So thanks again for watching, everyone. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.